In this video, we're going to show you how to create a session. First, we need to make sure we're in working area, and we'll click on sessions. If we click on digital sessions, we'll create a digital session that we can assign to a patient to be done at the clinic or in their home. If we want to create a paper session and generate a PDF, we'll click on paper sessions and later we can print that out. So let's go ahead and create a digital session. Clicking on digital session, I go into click here on the new digital session button. And here, I'm going to create a session called processing speed. We can do it in English or Spanish. We can select a session color code it. We can add different icons depending on how you want to organize your sessions. And we can show here advanced option. So we can tag it. We can add a description. Here we can choose whether we want the patient to self-evaluate at the end of every activity. These pops up a button confirming the end of the activity, or if we want to continue between activities, we want them to press a button to continue to the next activity. We'll click on create. Here we can go back in and edit. Say we want to change name, color, whatever, we can do that. And here I'm going to choose, we can choose by age. We can do all the same filters that we can do if we're doing just activities. I'm going to go in and do processing speed only. And I'm going to start adding activities. Here's a game, worksheet. Let's see if we can find a generator. Here's a generator. All right, so say I want just to use these three activities. I can rearrange them by clicking and dragging. I can go in and edit the activity. So say I want this patient to work 3 minutes on this activity. Choose where to start. If the patient has worked this activity before, it will automatically start them where they last left off. But if we want to choose where they start, we can do that as well. Basic 3, let's do basic free mode. And when they finish the single worksheet, we can decide if we want them to continue working with the following worksheets, or whether we want them to move on to the next activity. Here, kick the ball. This is a game. So let's say we want them to work it a little longer. With the games, they level up and down, so it's beneficial that they maybe started where they last left off. Let's go ahead and save that. And here we have the generator. Again, we can do the time, how many new activities we want the system to generate to show them, and whether we want to choose where they start. Save. I'll go ahead here in the bottom right hand corner, I'll click on save. And here you can see I have my session created. Again, I can click on that, I can assign it, I can view it, I can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it.